farming pests and diseases now has a solution. Aerobotics software Aeroview empowers tree crop farmers by identifying early-stage problems in their orchards using a combination of satellite, drone data and machine learning.
Aeroview is Aerobotics' web platform that gives the farmer information to make data-driven decisions on the farm. These decisions help the farmer improve yield and use inputs more effectively.
Used with Aeroview, farmers can now use the Aeroview Scout app that we've developed to identify problem areas on a tree-by-tree basis.
The process is seamless for farmers. They simply log into our system, request a drone flight, or purchase our seasonal package for R500 a hectare per season. That includes 3 flights that's perfectly timed for their crop's growing season. It's as simple as that. We handle all the admin and a drone pilot arrives on their farm.
Farmers work hard and deserve high yields. I'm so excited to try this new technology from Aerobotics.
Aerobotics, world-leading pest and disease management systems.